Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today's video, ooh, y'all, I done got me a headband wig. And I am hyped because if you know me, you know, slap and go, a quick put on, that's my thing. So let's see what's going on. You know, I'm not really a wig person, but if it's an easy wig, you know what brand I'm wearing? It's HerGivenHair. I'm trying out this headband wig from HerGivenHair. This is in the coily texture, and it is dyed black. I believe it's the 1B dye they do. All right, so boom, I'm excited. I'm excited because I love me a slap and go wig. Like I said before, I just love it. And I've been using and wearing HerGivenHair for some time now, like some years. Their hair is my favorite type of hair. I'm not really a wig person, but these wigs last, and I have clip-ins and I have ponytail and I have 2 other wigs that I still wear to this day from HerGivenHair. I'm gonna show you guys real quick how I did a quick co-wash, a quick finger detangle, let the hair air dry overnight, and now we are here. Ooh, yes. I'm gonna have all of the hair information in the description box. Obviously, if you guys are interested, you can click down there. I'm just gonna put it on. It has like this little Velcro strap back here. I showed you guys in the clips what it was looking like. I'm excited. I love me a put on and go type of situation. I ran out of wig caps. Well, I just can't find it. So I didn't bother to look for one. Okay, so now she's on. This is in the coily texture. I want to try something a little bit different. I usually get the kinky texture. And I like that you can kind of like tighten it or loosen it, like depending on your hair size. So I made mine pretty tight, but it's not uncomfortable. And it does have clips, but I didn't even clip it in because I didn't feel like I needed to. Oh yes. I knew I was gonna like this as like a shake and go. And I do. So it came with three headbands and a scarf. So I'm gonna try them on because I'm excited. So we have this animal print headband. It came with this black headband, and then this is like one of those little scarves that have like a circle. It's like a sleeve. And then this is a scarf that you take out and that you can tie. So we're gonna try it because y'all already know me, but let's see. I feel like wigs are really great protective styles, but they can be damaging, you know, to your edges and everything if you don't do it right. So a wig like this is great for me because I don't have to do nothing. Oh yes, do y'all see this? Do you guys see this? I don't have to do anything. I'm actually gonna like try to fluff it a little bit. Because you guys know one thing about me, boy, the more volume, the better. And I feel like when wigs are too tamed, they look a little fake. So we're just gonna do one of these. The fact that I just put this wig on and I could just zhuzh it up and not have to worry about no hairline, whatever, this is great. I think it's perfect. Ah! And I like this headband. Okay, okay. I'm gonna take this off. All you gotta do is hold the wig down. And I didn't even clip it, so all you gotta do is hold it down. The black one, it's just a black headband, so I'm not gonna try this one on. I am gonna try this sleeve thing on and see if I could like style the hair a bit. Let's see. I like the like scrunched headband look. It looks so much more natural. What do you guys think? Would you guys try out a headband wig? I am shook right now. I think it's very flattering. I think it just makes the wig process 10 times easier. All right, let's take this one off. I went ahead and tightened the headband one more time, and I'm going to apply or put on the scarf. So I saw a style I really want to try where you like put the wig up and then tie the scarf, so I'm gonna try it right now. So this is like a messy bun option that's not giving wig vibes. Yes. What do you guys think? Could be my real hair. It's really a messy bun, but that's kind of like how I like it. So after lots of playing, I decided on the black headband. I think it looks really cute, natural. If you didn't know what my hair looked like, this could be my hair. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I think these headband wigs are here to stay. You will probably see this on my head more than a few times. Like, you'll see me wear this because this is such an easy thing to put on. It's really comfortable, really cute. I may fluff it out some more, but other than that, I think it looks great. Quality is great, it feels great. I know that it will last as long as all of the other HerGivenHair wigs that I have. Thank you to HerGivenHair for partnering with me to bring you guys today's video. I have been wanting to try out a headband wig for a minute now. So let's get into the giveaway for today's 50K KandidKinks woody woody whoop hoopla. For today's giveaway, all you have to do is comment down below a video request. Let me know the next video you want to see from me, whether that be product review, another wig review, a makeup look, I don't know, reacting to something, a hairstyle, whatever the case is. Let me know in the comment section what you want to see from me next on this channel, a simple video request, and leave your email next to that so I can contact you if you are the winner. Thank you guys so much for being a part of the KandidKinks family. You obviously have to be a subscriber to enter the giveaway, but I'm sure that's obvious. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Let me know what you think of my headband wig. I think it looks pretty good and natural. I'm gonna be wearing this wig, okay, honey? Bye, guys.